Hey everyone, this is AW. In today's video, I'm giving you a full review of Coursiv, an educational platform designed to help you learn AI tools and essential digital skills so you can work smarter, save time, and stay relevant in the AI era. Let's be honest, AI is no longer optional. Whether you're a creator, professional, student, freelancer, or entrepreneur, AI is already changing how work gets done online and offline. The real challenge isn't knowing that AI exists, it's learning how to use it correctly, ethically, and effectively. That's where Coursiv comes in. Coursiv is an AI learning platform that teaches you how to use real AI tools in practical everyday scenarios. Instead of focusing on hype or theory, Coursiv emphasizes skill development, tool familiarity, and real-world workflows. And the best part? You only need about 15 minutes a day. It's beginner-friendly, suitable for all experience levels, and provides a clear learning path based on your interests and goals. Coursiv organizes its learning in a very smart and practical way, making it easy to know exactly what to focus on. Instead of throwing random AI lessons at you, the platform structures everything around two clear paths. You can learn by specific AI tools like ChatGPT for writing and research, MidJourney for visual creation, Gemini for advanced AI assistance, Jasper for digital marketing, and many other tools that are widely used today. At the same time, Coursiv also lets you learn by goal. So if your focus is improving productivity with AI, creating content more efficiently, designing visuals, automating everyday workflows, or enhancing professional and business tasks, you can follow a learning path built specifically around that outcome. This approach removes the confusion that often comes with learning AI. You're not jumping from tool to tool without direction. Instead, you're learning with structure, clarity, and a clear sense of purpose, making the entire experience more effective and easier to follow. One of the standout features of Coursiv is its daily challenge system, which is designed to make learning AI feel simple and achievable. Instead of trying to learn everything at once, challenges like the 28-day AI Mastery Challenge guide you to focus on just one AI concept or tool at a time. Each lesson is short, clear, and easy to follow, so you can make progress without feeling overwhelmed. This time-based approach turns AI learning into a daily habit, helping you stay consistent while gradually building confidence as you move forward. This is where Coursiv really stands out. Instead of only learning about AI in theory, you actually get to use AI directly inside the platform. You can access multiple AI tools in one place, work with structured prompt examples, and learn how to communicate effectively with AI to get better results. Every step is clearly guided, which removes guesswork and makes the learning experience more practical, hands-on, and easier to apply in real situations. After completing courses on Coursiv, you receive AI skill certificates that can be added to your LinkedIn profile, included in your resume or portfolio, and used to demonstrate ongoing learning. This is especially valuable if you're upskilling for work, exploring new digital tools, or looking to strengthen your professional credibility. The certificates help showcase your commitment to learning and your familiarity with modern AI tools in a clear and professional way. Coursiv also uses learning streaks to keep you motivated and consistent. Each day you complete a lesson, your streak grows, turning learning into a daily habit rather than something you keep postponing. Seeing your progress build over time makes the experience more motivating and rewarding. And when it comes to learning any new digital skill, consistency is what truly makes the difference. And this system does a great job of reinforcing that. Coursiv can be applied in a wide range of real-world scenarios. For e-commerce and digital projects, AI can be used to support idea generation, create visuals, and assist with planning. Content creators can use AI to organize content calendars, draft scripts, and streamline the production process. For professionals and freelancers, AI becomes a helpful tool for improving writing, research, communication, and overall time management. Throughout the platform, Coursiv clearly walks you through the tools, prompts, and workflows step by step, making everything easy to understand and follow. Coursiv is available across multiple devices, including desktop, iOS, and Android, which means you can learn anytime and from anywhere, whether you're at home or on the move. So if you're looking to learn AI tools in a structured and beginner-friendly way, build useful digital skills for work, creativity, and productivity, and stay relevant as AI continues to evolve, then Coursiv is definitely worth checking out. You'll find the link directly below this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll personally respond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.